Hi, this is Mark. I'm just toying with this for right now. You can see this is a dark mode. Now, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, any page, you're going to see something like this. It says Style Chooser. Now, right now, I'm just testing shades of blue. Now you'll see that there's an overlay that comes up here. This is the main default style. It's a light style. It's what we've been using. I know a lot of people though don't like the brightness. So again, right now this is experimental. But you can choose that. Come up here, choose shades of blue, and you'll get a dark skin. Thanks. We'll let you know what happens as time goes on. Again, right now this is experimental, but maybe this is a little bit easier on your eyes. Bye-bye.